मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
मैं सुरंग से होकर गुजरा। I went across the tunnel. I went across the tunnel. वह मरने के कगार पर है। He is on the verge of death. He is on the verge of death. इसमें बुरा मानने की क्या बात है? What's there to mind? What's there to mind? कितना कुछ बदल गया है। So much has changed. So much has changed. उससे बोलो मुर्गा बने। Tell him to become like a chicken. Tell him to become like a chicken. वह फूट फूट कर रो रही है। She is weeping bitterly. She is weeping bitterly. जो बिगाड़ सकते हो बिगाड़ लो। Do my worst. Do my worst. तुम में बहुत सारी कमियां हैं। You have many short things. You have many short things. यहाँ से बाहर निकलो। Get out from here. Get out from here. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो। Don't favor on me. Don't favor on me. मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं। I have much money. I have much money. हिम्मत मत करना। Don't you dare. Don't you dare. मिलजुल कर रहो। Live in harmony. Live in harmony. मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है। Troubles are troubles. Troubles are troubles. मैं आपका सबसे बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ। I'm your biggest fan. I am your biggest fan. क्या मैंने तुम्हारा पक्ष नहीं लिया? Didn't I favor you? Didn't I favor you? क्या आप कुछ भूल रहे हो? Are you forgetting something? Are you forgetting something? संसार में ज्ञान की कमी नहीं है। There is no lack of knowledge in this world. There is no lack of knowledge in this world. मैंने हमेशा के लिए दिल्ली छोड़ दी। I left Delhi forever. I left Delhi forever. समय की नज़ाकत को समझो। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो। Always be punctual of time. Always be punctual of time. मुझ पर सहारा मत लो। Don't lean on me. Don't lean on me. मैं इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अटक जाता हूँ। I stuck while speaking English. I stuck while speaking English. उसका खून बह रहा है। He is bleeding. He is bleeding. मेरा मन हो रहा है कि मैं नहा लूँ। I feel like having bath. I feel like having bath. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. आज ये होना ही था। It was to happen today. It was to happen today. मैं तुम्हें रोज़ाना देखने आता था। I came to see you daily. I came to see you daily. वो रसोई में हो सकती है। Maybe she is in the kitchen. Maybe she is in the kitchen. उसने मुझे एक जानकारी दी। She gave me an information. She gave me an information. मैं इतनी खुश हूँ कि क्या बताऊँ। I am so happy that I can't tell you. I'm so happy that I can't tell you. अब ये और गर्म है। It's hotter now. It's hotter now. मैं बस हेलो कहने के लिए आ गया। I dropped in to say hello. I dropped in to say hello. वहाँ कम लोग थे। There was less people. There was less people. धीरे धीरे मेरा सर दबाओ। Press my head gently. Press my head gently. उसे छोड़ो और यहाँ आओ। Leave that and come here. Leave that and come here. तुम ये अकेले कर सकते हो। You can do it on your own. You can do it on your own. आज हल्की ठंड है। It's kind of cold today. It's kind of cold today. कुछ भी हो सकता था। Anything could be happened. Anything could be happened. मैं उसे देखने के लिए तड़प रहा था। I was loathing to see her. I was loathing to see her. ऐसी चीज़ें मैं भी नहीं खाता। I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to the office? How do you go to the office? किसी तरह से बात को निपटाओ। Settle the matter somehow. Settle the matter somehow. माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे थोड़ी देर हो गई। I'm sorry, I'm a little late. I am sorry, I am a little late. वह किसके साथ आया? With whom did he come? With whom did he come? इस बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ। That's what we had a dispute on. That's what we had a dispute on. वह पानी पी रहा है। He is drinking water. He is drinking water.